Today on Van Haven TV, we're taking a look at how our bespoke vans can enhance your lifestyle and not just your business. Check this out. So today I have been very kindly invited around to Matt's place to check out his van that we built for him just a few weeks ago, but also to compare it to another carbon van that we have historically built to show the differences between how these two vans are used despite sharing a couple aspects in common. Matt's van is very different because it's actually one of the first vans that we've ever built that isn't really designed to be driven, moreover, to be driven in. The Bentley Green Van is an incredibly well-known van of ours, and she will be at a number of shows this season. She's taken a couple guises over the years. She went from being a all-out sports mountain biking, snowboarding van, and it's been completely changed up to be an insanely well-equipped combi sleeper, again with the pop top. And Matt's van shares a number of different aspects in common. Both of these vans have features from our TTR carbon kit. Both vans are massive spec and on air ride suspension. But once you look inside, you'll realize that they have two completely different uses. Yes, they are both vans. Yes, they are both commercially viable. And yes, you can be both funded through your business. But as we will see, the vans have two very different uses. Let's check them out. We at Van Haven are huge fans of what we call the combi sleeper concept, where effectively we add a pop-top roof, retain the combi seats, and put some sort of bed system with any array of kitchen accessories in the back of the van. However, in Matt's case, he wanted something a little different. Matt had no interest in sleeping or camping out or going away on weekenders in his van. He actually wanted it for a number of other uses, including working whilst he's on the road, so he can make the most of his time whilst he's in transit, but also to A, relax, maybe entertain clients and have a little drink on the go. And so the brief with Matt's van was to create an incredibly sumptuous and comfortable space to be driven in rather than to actually drive. So this van is being used really so that Matt can make the most of his time when he's traveling, be it doing some work, entertaining clients, having the odd meeting, or just kicking back with a glass of fizz in between golf games. We've thrown everything we can at this van. It has all of the Alcantara trims. We've moved control panels and diesel heater modules so that Matt can control everything from back here and have him and his passengers in the utmost luxury. My favorite part of this build are the magnetic wine flutes. I cannot believe these exist. They're amazing, and it means that even if you're a little bit late to a golf game and the driver's driving hard, you're not going to spill a drop. That's not to say that we've scrimped or not done anything for the driver. Huge part of this van's build was the actual ride itself, so we've opted for the VB air ride suspension to give the best comfort achievable in the VW Transporter. Motorway speeds, country tracks, wherever you will take this van, it will be pin sharp and super comfortable. We've done all of the black plastics, we've remolded the steering wheel, all the driver assistance systems, so the Matt's drivers are going to be super excited and very comfortable driving this van. But of course, to keep the tonics cool, Red Bulls, waters, etc., we've actually built in the refrigerated armrest. Really cool bit of kit, upholstered her to match the seats. So yeah, the van can keep everyone refreshed. But the fun doesn't stop there. Matt's brief was incredibly particular in that we had to build in a provision for his golf clubs, but also for the golf clubs for the people that he may be playing with as well. So we came up with a solution that allowed 5 people in the middle of the van to sit incredibly comfortable, but also have enough space in the rear of the van to carry their golfing equipment. Coming up with a modular system that will hold up to 4 golf bags. I think that there have been more golf bags in here, but this entire system inside the tray can also be removed to accommodate Matt's dog. So when going on a drive, for example, away for a long dog walk, you can remove the golf gear, put a dog bed in the back and keep the dog contained away from the nice central area. This is a terrific system, and as far as we're aware, one of the only slide out golf dedicated rigs on the market. So well done to everyone involved. And so yes, we hope you can see that although these are both tax efficient commercial vehicles, they can add so much, not just to your business, but to your lifestyle. So if you want to entertain clients, but also go to the theatre of an evening, have a little drink, go out and do some golfing, you can. If, however, you want to spend a bit of time in nature and do some al fresco dining and maybe stay overnight in your van with the family, you can. And that is a huge part of what we do here at Van Haven. We don't just create very pretty commercial vehicles. We add a tool that you can use in your lifestyle to do whatever you need to do. And it's actually one of the most pertinent questions we will ask you when running through a design consultation. We want to know what your style is. If you like something shiny or flashy or understated, you can choose all of your exterior styling. And the styling that we carry out to these vans is immense. So whether you want something more subtle and understated, or whether, for example, you want to match your van to maybe one of your other cars, we can do. If you want a wheel, for example, which is an absolute neck breaker, and you want everyone to have a look at you whilst you drive by, we can achieve that as well. Both of these vans look absolutely killer, and I am incredibly biased, but these are beautiful vans. Now we know that you probably have other toys at home, and yes, a van is not going to get you from 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds, but we like to believe that everyone has a van-shaped hole in their life, and you can do so much with a transporter. No.